Hi all, hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on the BossFunnels software that will be out soon. In today's video, I'm going to give you my honest review about the BossFunnels product, as I have reviewed it and checked it out. These are the three people who developed this product. It's amazing how someone can get away selling these products month after month, making money and leaving the buyer with a product not living up to its expectation. Get your free traffic and sales in 60 seconds. Really, guys? Do you believe this? Even with all my experience and trying to make money, I could never do this in 60 seconds. After my review, you might decide you want to skip this and not sign up for this program. But you will have the option to make your own decision, if you want to buy it or not. I'm Dr.Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide various content videos, tutorials, and reviews just like this, to help you build your online business. I'm currently using a proven training program. I left a link below this video for a free 12 steps action plan training process where you will learn how to build a sustainable online business. If this is your first time to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell that you do not miss out on future reviews of my products. I base all my reviews on my own experience by spending a few $1,000s on these types of shining objects. By now, I've learned my lesson and I know how it works. I would like to give you advice that you do not use any of these money wasters. The BossFunnels software I'm reviewing today is a software that automatically creates a landing page and thank you page for you. The normal thing that you get in all their products. It's very easy to make money, click, 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 and there you go. This product, as I said, is a page builder. I reviewed a few page builders before I choose the one I'm using. We inside the members area. The members area is straightforward, but it seems like you will be using your own traffic as you will be sharing the information on Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of the platforms. Become your own boss today in 3 simple steps. Of course, it sounds very easy, but in the real world, this is not how it works. Another place, they're telling you what you want to hear. Problem number 1, it's not easy setting up a world-class funnel. Problem number 2, if you do somehow set up a funnel, most people are struggling. Do you think this would be any different? The funnel that gets you sales. Now, are they the only people that can give you this funnel? Or can you do it yourself? And then they mention all the additional problems that they know you want to hear. And of course, they can solve all of them according to them. Faster than anything else. Well, we saw it already. 60 seconds and you will have money in your pocket. Well, if you believe this, I don't. Here's why funnels are good. And here is why you should buy this product. The same thing. Effortless, enjoy the autopilot, passive income, increased sales, consistent cash. Guys, this is really what I've heard hundreds of times before. Newbies are getting results with funnels. Well, there's 2 people they're showing. I don't know who they are, but the one has got $24,000. The other one made $7,000. I don't believe they newbies. As a newbie, you will work 1 to 2 years before you make this money. A funnel manually. This is now how they try to tell you what it will cost to build your own funnel. From my experience, I'm using ClickFunnels. I built my own funnel and I have success, and it doesn't cost what they say. So, got you covered. Well, by now, if you don't see that this is just misleading you, telling you what you want to hear, and definitely not the truth. Let's look at their landing page. Discover how you will make $300 in one day. I ended up using ClickFunnels. It's not free, but it works for me. The landing page they show us is definitely not good. And the basic product in ClickFunnels has more than what they offer in this page. Now I can show you, as a newbie, this looks amazing because you don't know better. And they are very misleading with their words, making money fast, it's written all over the place, and showing you this funnel. And if you don't know what to look for, it looks if you can make money. From my experience, this make money fast have never worked for me. Wrong. Yes, it's working. The producers of the product makes money, and I was out of the picture, not even making my small investment back. 30 to 130 days money back guarantee. Don't you think this is a long time? From these type of products, it's also not an option, as you never get your hard-earned cash back. The only thing you do at the end is giving up trying from frustration. Looking at the page builder and what they have to offer, it's very limited. I couldn't even change my images, and I couldn't even change my landing page. As I'm used to better from ClickFunnels, this really wasn't an option for me. If you go into the page and into the page builders, the only ones I found, there was 8 different funnels, templates to choose from. I've learned from Russell Bronson, the ClickFunnels developer himself, that your landing page is the most important part of selling your product. There should be a specific criteria and a look to this page to be able to attract customers and become successful. Russell Bronson has become one of the most famous names in digital marketing industry because of what he is teaching and what he is doing. They also use the picture of Russell Bronson, Dan Lok, and Anik Singhal. I don't know if these guys even know their picture is up here. I don't think they would like to be part of this page builder that the guys are selling. When I wanted to show you on the video how to use it and how the templates look, it also told me you reached your funnel creation. I have only tested it. I have not even built a funnel yet. Is it blocking me now for 12 hours till tomorrow, like some of the other products I have tested? Another huge problem for me. I will not use any of the 8 templates that I have seen and have access to. I want to use an editor to make some changes to the template, but as I said, I couldn't find all the options in the builder I needed. Even in the free version of Elementor, which I use, there's much more which I can use. So here is ClickFunnels, and if I just compare ClickFunnels to what I've just showed you, this is what we can see. We can collect emails, we can sell our product, or we can host a webinar. So if I want to do any of these, I can choose an option. What am I doing? If you go into the funnel, you have a lot of choices again. The cookbook builder process or the classic funnel builder. I usually use the classic funnel builder because I'm very precise on what I want in my page. Once I go into the classic funnel, then I have a choice again to a homepage, webinar, survey, bridge funnel. So guys, if I look at what we get here, it's definitely a low quality product. They have lots of training videos, and I think it's because the third guy has joined them and he's focused on training. It looks good, the training is good, but the product itself is not what I would like to suggest. So inside the page builder, you have an opt-in page and you have a thank you page. And this is all you get. Very cheap, not a lot to pay for. Otherwise, traffic-wise, nothing extra. If you don't have traffic, you will definitely not get sales. So in summary, my honest review, misleading information, showing you what you want to hear, but definitely a no-no for me. I would not buy this product. A question: do you need help to make money online? Not by buying money wasters. Please subscribe and ring the bell that you don't miss any of my forthcoming videos. I myself is part of a proven strategy that works. The 12-step action plan, and it's a video-based course, and you have all the videos as I'm showing you that will help you to build your own online business. Thank you for listening. See you on the other side of the screen.